Alright guys, what's going on? Hope you guys enjoyed the last Google hack video or trick, whatever you want to call it. I've already gotten some good feedback about it, but yeah. So today's is going to be a little bit different. This is actually a trick that I learned from one of my mentors, who's really good at Google Ads. So after the last video, if you watch that, I use a lot of keywords. So I'll use about 100 different keywords. Now, obviously, a lot of them are broad match. Actually, all of them are broad match. And some of them, some of them are a little too broad. Some of them are pretty narrow, but they all work together. Now, one thing that I did do with this offer, which is a stock trading offer, was, and obviously, like, you can't go and copy this exactly because you don't have the video that we use. We don't use search. We do video only on YouTube. So within my campaign, we do about $1,200 a day. We've spent about 75 grand, 2,156 conversions. And I have several ad groups here that I use. And this is for a $97 a month stock trading group. And we're getting about $30 to about $41 the most in CPAs. Now, obviously, you need to give some type of campaign some time to optimize and do their thing. So, some of these are just basically starting to drop in CPAs as we optimize and as we get more data. But with the keywords, okay, before I show you the best performing keyword, I want to kind of go over this because you're going to see all of these campaigns, okay? I mean, all these different keywords, and some of these keywords are broad. Some of them have like stock trading, stock advice, stock tips, all that kind of shit. Now, here's the problem. Some of them are just brutally broad, and that's okay. Like market trading for beginners, stock market trader, share market start. Like, I'm going to get into that keyword in a second. But if we go to conversions, you're going to see that our best performing keyword is share market start. Okay. And it has 648 conversions for $26 a conversion. That is the most profitable one we have at that scale. Reason why is because I took one word from the best 3 keywords and basically just made a random ass variation of it. Now, I tested variations like market share start and start market share, but share market start did the best. Now, if you think about it, you take the word share, which is like shares of stock, market, which is stock market, and start, which is start trading, or, start trading in the stock market, start trading stocks, whatever the case may be. That is, you put those 3 keywords together in the right variation, and that's going to allow you to touch multiple markets and bigger audiences. And it's been crazy how I've been able to actually figure that out. But I took like the best 3 keywords that did really well and just took one word from each and just did a little combination. I did a little puzzle with them. So, and then obviously, like, when you're scaling out these kind of ads, you can then optimize based on demographics, age, gender, parental status, household income. Like, Google knows a lot more than Facebook. Also, they're just way more, like, they let a lot more shit slide than Facebook. Google, you can run stock trading. Facebook, you probably can't. I've tried it. It didn't last long. But yeah, I figure you guys would like that little trick. And yeah, hope to see you guys soon. And thanks for tuning in.